Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TaxAct for accurate deductions every time, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, start by visiting the TaxAct website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, select the option to start a new tax return. Choose the correct tax year for your filings. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information. Input your filing status when prompted. Next, gather all relevant documents such as W-2s and 1099s. Navigate to the income section of the software. Enter your income from all sources accurately. Make sure to review each entry for accuracy. Now, move on to the Deductions section. TaxAct will suggest potential deductions based on your income. Consider itemizing deductions if they exceed the standard deduction. If you choose to itemize, carefully input each deductible expense. Be sure to include expenses like medical costs, mortgage interest, and charitable contributions. Next, review the tax credits available to you. Use the software to check eligibility for each credit. Enter any applicable information to maximize your credit opportunities. After completing the deductions and credits, thoroughly review your entries. Take your time to ensure there are no mistakes or omissions. Once satisfied, proceed to the tax summary page. TaxAct will display your estimated refund or amount owed. If you owe taxes, confirm your payment options. If expecting a refund, choose how you would like to receive it. Finally, file your return electronically through TaxAct. Follow the prompts to submit your return securely. Keep a copy of your filed return and any documents for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.